Story of Henry C. Henry C. was a Filipino-Chinese businessman who rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the Philippines. His story is one of perseverance, vision, and hard work. Henry C. was born on December 25, 1923 in Xiamen Province, China. At the age of 12, he moved to the Philippines to join his father, who ran a small sari-sari store called a neighborhood convenience store. Life was tough and young Henry had to work in his father's store, learning the ropes of retail from a very young age. After World War II, the family's store was destroyed and they lost everything. However, instead of giving up, Henry saw this opportunity to start fresh. He decided to venture into his own business, buying goods in bulk and selling them. At small venture was a small shoe store called Shoe Mart in Manila in 1958. Henry C. successful with Shoe Mart led him to explore new opportunities in the 1970s. He transferred Shoe Mart into a full department store, rebranding it as a SM Shoe Mart. The department store concept was a hit and SM became a household name in the Philippines. C's entrepreneur's spirit didn't stop there. He envisioned something bigger on a one-stop shopping destination of Filipinos. This vision materialized in 1985 when he opened the first SM City, North EDSA, which one of the most largest mall in the country at the time. The mall was enormous success and it became the blueprint for future SM supermalls. Over the years, Henry C. diversified his business interest. He ventured into banking, founding BDO Unibank, the largest bank in the Philippines. He also expanded into real estate with SM Prime Holdings becoming one of the largest integrated property developers in South Asia. Henry C. was passed away in 2019 but his legacy lives on. He built an empire from the ground up and his companies continue to play a significant role in the Philippines economy. His story is a testament to the power of hard work, vision, and reliance. That's all of the story of Henry C.